Most viewers of this channel are Generation Z, which is perfect because Zoomers have the most to gain from this information. Building wealth is a lifelong game, and teenagers with the right mindset have a head start. If you're a Zoomer, this video will set you on the right track. It can be exciting to start making money for yourself online. It's almost surreal to receive actual cash from rewards platforms. You gain the independence to buy things that you wouldn't otherwise get from your parents. I, for one, bought GTA San Andreas after the TV told my parents it wasn't appropriate. However, I think it's important for generations to pass down what they've learned, whether it's successes or mistakes. I used to think a sign of success was buying luxury purchases to impress others.
We got Gucci, Armani, another Gucci, tailor-made.
Now I see this as a sign of failure. People with consumerist mindsets are manipulated out of their money and end up living paycheck to paycheck without progressing. I now define success as being able to live on your own terms by covering your cost of living with passive income. Everyone wants different things out of life, but whatever you aspire to do, it will only help you to have a strong financial foundation. So before you spend all your earnings on Nintendo games and the latest kicks,
penny whistles and moon pie,
I'd like to encourage you to start saving and investing. If you are going to buy something though, a PC could be considered a good investment. This will unlock more earning opportunities such as PC exclusive surveys and the ability to create content. Plus, it can play games. The first phase of your wealth creation journey is to build up an emergency savings fund. This is money you can access right away to cover unexpected costs. It's reassuring to know that you can handle whatever life throws at you. Things like your car breaking down or needing a place to stay. The general recommendation is to save 3 months worth of living expenses, for example, £3,000. It sounds like a lot, but you don't have to earn it all in one go. It can be added to whenever you have a few pounds to spare, such as from survey income or birthday gifts. You might be thinking, why can't I just sell my investments for emergency cash? Well, it can take a long time to withdraw investments, and you wouldn't want to sell during a dip in value. I strongly suggest opening a separate savings account with your bank. I used to hold my savings in my current account, and it was too hard to track my progress. It's way easier to compartmentalize your spending and saving money.
You gotta keep them separated.
Once your emergency fund is maxed out, then your excess earnings can be invested. You can actually invest under the age of 18 if a parent or guardian does it on your behalf using a junior ISA account. For now though, just focus on getting that emergency fund locked in. The biggest challenge you face when earning online as a teenager is not being old enough to use PayPal. You can sell your gift cards online, but you'd have to offer them at a discount to the buyer, so it's not ideal. Also, some earning platforms only cash out to PayPal. I recommend withdrawing earnings to your parents' account if possible. Some Zoomers have told me that they want to help out their family with living expenses. In that case, you could redeem supermarket gift cards to pay for groceries. You can also help your family by using Amazon Credit to buy household supplies like washing powder. Whatever you decide, you're doing yourself a massive favor by taking control of your financial future. So keep showing up and making small steps towards your goal each day. You've got this, Zoomer.